This is the stuff I'm gonna try on the plastics. This Plastic Renew. I've used it once, it's pretty good, but definitely takes a lot of elbow grease. Let's do a little test with this Plastic Renew. So I used some 400 grit sandpaper and some steel wool and dried it off, cleaned it off. I'm gonna put some of this Plastic Renew on and see how it does. So here's the finished product of the Plastic Renew. After several coats, I'd say probably about 5 coats, and you got 2 steel wool buffings in between. But this is the part I sanded. This part I didn't sand, and then this part, I didn't sand any of that. It definitely looks better when it's not sanded and just applied. But I mean, it did do a pretty good job filling the scratches. So if you guys are looking for another alternative, this Plastic Renew, it's pretty good stuff. Just a process to do it though.